Hello investors, welcome to RankMF. In this demo video, we are going to learn about the process of investing in a mutual fund scheme via the SIP method. First, log in with your Samco credentials, use your user ID and back office password. Once you are in the home page, you'll see the Explore All MF Ranks tab. Pressing it, you'll come to a new page where you can find various funds and schemes ranked by the RankMF engine. You may filter out the schemes of your choice by pressing this blue tab. You can also search the specific schemes by typing in the name of the fund in the search bar. For example, to search for Reliance Ultra Short Duration Fund and press the search result. This will redirect you to the mutual fund scheme code page, which contains category rank, the rating of the scheme, the fund credibility, the right time to invest, the NAV value, the 52-week high and low. You'll also see two buttons for investment, Invest and SIP. And for investing in a scheme via the SIP route, you need to press the SIP button. Here you can see the pop-up window to enter the investment amount of your choice. But the amount should be greater or equal to the mentioned minimum sum. Here the minimum sum is ₹100. You also need to specify the SIP dates. As seen in the calendar, some dates are disabled as defined by the AMC. You may also see your previous investment amount registered in the calendar notes. After selecting the dates of your choice, press Confirm and Continue. Review your order details and read the following note carefully before investing. Click on the Confirm and Continue option to proceed. Now your order has been placed successfully and it's time to set up a mandate for the SIP payments. Here's a thing to note. Your first SIP payment shall be deducted from your Samco trading ledger. There are certain conditions that need to be adhered to set up the mandate. If your signature is clearly visible on the page, you may use the same for the mandate. But if the signature is not clear, you have the option to upload it again. Once you finish this step, you need to confirm with the OTP. Enter your OTP. You are also given the option to place the first order today. If you don't want to, you may simply skip this step. After you are done with the process, you can check the order status by clicking on My Account and click on Order History page to check your details. Simple, right? We hope you learned something interesting and useful today. Stay tuned to this channel for more about RankMF demo videos, mutual fund insights, and more importantly, growing your wealth by investing in the Sahi mutual funds.